So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, this video will be about the sense organs. So in short, stay till the end of this video. So let's go ahead and answer this question here. It says, the eye defect caused by an uneven curvature of the cornea or lens or both is A. Hypermetropia, B. Presbyopia, C. Myopia, and D. Astigmatism. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D here, and that's astigmatism. So astigmatism is actually a common eye defect that occurs when the eye lens changes shape and becomes irregular in shape. So that's the answer to this question, and that's option D here. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will be very helpful to you even as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.